Hello guys, and welcome to Matt's Beamer. First of all, if there is a BMW F20 F21 1 Series DIY video that you would like to see, please message down below, and I will see if I can do it soon, depending if the parts need changing. I also apologise about the echoey sound. I'm having to record in the kitchen today. Anyway, my lower beam blew the other day, so I had to quickly put a video together on how to replace it. Remember, before you do the job, beware that the bulb may be hot. Also, do not touch the bulb glass with your bare hands, as the oils in your skin will shorten the life of the bulb, so it's best to wear gloves. Anyway, if you get the lower beam failure message, the first thing you need to do is to buy the bulb you need for the car. My bulb has the cheaper halogen bulbs. The code name for my bulb is H7. As you can see, the computer has told me my left hand side bulb has blown. If you look from the front of the vehicle, the bulb is on the right hand side. The design on how to get the bulb out isn't really the best, especially if you have a bad back like me, hence why I had to film the car in two different locations. As the blown bulb is on the left hand side, you will need to turn the steering wheel on the full lock to the right. This will give you access to the left hand hatch. Make sure before changing the bulb that you turn the ignition off. Now, at the top of the hatch are two clips. These need to be pressed down with a screwdriver or something to help you remove the cover. When the cover is removed, you will notice that there is a round circle cover. To remove it, you need to turn it anti-clockwise 45 degrees. With this cover out the way, it will give you access to the back of the light unit. Remember that the bulb you will need is the H7. Here is the bulb I brought. Back to the old bulb. You need to remove it out of the housing by rotating it slightly. Here is the bulb removed from the light unit. As you will see, it still has the connection plug and wires connected to it. To remove the bulb, you will need to place your thumb and your fingers where mine are and just wiggle it out while pulling. Just to warn you though, it may be stuck in there, so keep wiggling and jiggling until it comes out. But remember, the bulb may be hot. This area here that I am pointing to needs to point in the opposite direction to the tab here when pushing the bulb back into its plug. Now, you need to put the bulb back into the light unit. It can be a little bit fiddly, but when it's in the right place, you just need to rotate it a little bit until the bulb is firmly secure into place. With the bulb in place, you can test to see if it's okay. Check this by turning on the ignition and make sure the lights are turned on. Then hopefully it will light up like this. If it's all okay, replace the round lid thing by rotating it clockwise into place about 45 degrees. Now, replace the hatch. The lower tabs need to be located into the bottom part of the hole first. With the lower tabs in the correct place, you can then press the top tabs into place. You will hear the two clicks from the upper tabs. Well done, job done. I have done some other bulb changes on this car too. I'll add the links down below so you can see them. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully it won't be too long before the spark plug video goes live on my channel. The last few months in my life have been extremely busy. Anyway, if you like this video and you want to see more DIY videos based on this car, please like, share and subscribe. I may also make a few DIY videos on a 2008 987 Porsche Cayman S with the 3.4 litre engine, and also there may be a Lamborghini Gallardo SE appearing on my channel too. Anyway, thank you very much and take care and good luck.